Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Scan the entire puzzle to note black squares and the grid size before reading clues. This gives a mental map of one across and main sections. Read across and down clues quickly to spot any obvious answers, especially easy 3-letter and 4-letter words. Pencil in those answers and erase freely while testing alternatives. Circles or shaded squares indicate theme letters. Note them. Abbreviations and question marks usually mean non-literal answers. Keep a finger on the current row to avoid skipping lines and stay organized. Fill all crossings after easy answers to reveal letters for longer entries. Each crossing reduces ambiguity. Target the longest themed entry next, using confirmed letters to complete it, then work outward on intersecting shorter words. Re-evaluate any clue with a question mark or an abbreviation flag, because they indicate wordplay or shortened forms. Consider multiple senses of a word and test synonyms that fit letter patterns. Keep checking across and down alternately to catch mistaken placements and avoid cascading error. Recheck every crossing and clue before committing final answers in ink. Confirm that each across and down entry matches its clue literally or figuratively. Use the puzzle's date or headline to resolve uncertain themed entries, and remember that theme entries often share a pattern or holiday reference. If stuck, skip difficult clues and return later with fresh eyes or a brief break, and consult a small dictionary for obscure words. Finally, write final answers clearly in ink, only when you are confident in every crossing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.